Ergotech Green Drive, the future of motion control. This is a fully integrated, high-performance strain wave system built with sustainability in mind. We use recycled polymers to craft a product that is powerful, precise and green. We have packed everything into one compact unit. By integrating the gears, a frameless motor and a PCB board, the Green Drive achieves exceptional torque density. It delivers up to 12 Nm of peak torque in a shape that is less than 60 mm in diameter. Ergotech Green Drive is a solution for pan and tilt systems, collaborative robots, video surveillance systems, robot vacuum cleaner, automatic boot opener, lawn mower robots, solar tracker, linear axis and screw drive control, home appliance. Choose precision, choose power, choose the planet. Upgrade your design with the Ergotech Green Drive.